Commencing our journey in the late 1950s, a time when the world was still grappling with the concept of rock and roll. Back then, a simple toaster was considered the pinnacle of technological advancement. This era was full of simple pleasures, yet the thirst for knowledge and discovery was evident. At its very heart was the enigmatic country, the Soviet, which dared to look beyond the stars. Amid the charm of this bygone era, they achieved something truly remarkable. They launched Sputnik, the very first man-made satellite to grace the cosmos. This not just a significant achievement, it was a testament to human will and ingenuity. Now pause and reflect on this. Sputnik, in the grandest sense, was the ultimate outsider, literally positioned outside of our world. Fast forward to the 1960s, and things started heating up faster than a Pop-Tart in a microwave. This was the era of jet engines, color televisions, and Beatles mania. But amidst all this advancement, the world witnessed an unprecedented space race. The United States, fueled by a desire to demonstrate its technological prowess, embarked on a daring quest. The goal? To conquer the moon. This concept, previously to the realm of science fiction, was transformed into a reality by an audacious project called Apollo 11. The nation held its breath in 1969 when Neil Armstrong, rocketing away from Earth, made the giant leap for mankind, and also, presumably, a giant leap for his personal bucket list. The 70s and 80s were a bit like the rebellious teenage years of space exploration. This was a period of unparalleled curiosity and audacity, a time when we dared to push the boundaries of what was possible. The Viking program was a prime example of this revolutionary. We didn't just send probes to Mars, we boldly launched them into the crimson abyss of the unknown. Why, you may ask? Because the spirit of discovery was too enticing to resist. The same audacious spirit fueled the Voyager missions. Was space exploration's equivalent of the classic American road trip, only this time there were no terrestrial limitations or tiresome backseat drivers. The journey was not just about the destination, it was about the thrill of the ride, the excitement of traversing the cosmic highway. We also had the Voyager missions, which were like the ultimate road trip, but in space and without the annoying backseat drivers. The 90s brought us the Hubble Space Telescope, a game changer in the world of astronomy. This piece of ingenuity was indeed a proud achievement for humanity. It was not just a telescope, it was our window into the vast, unexplored universe that lies beyond our tiny planet. It transformed our understanding of space and time, making us realize our place in the cosmos and expanding our knowledge of the universe's very existence. The Hubble gave us the ability to gaze at distant stars, galaxies, and cosmic events, presenting us with breathtaking images. These images were sharp, detailed, and in high definition. They made us realize how much we are yet to discover and understand. They reminded us of our insignificance in this vast universe, making us feel incredibly small. Yet despite highlighting our insignificance, these images also made us feel connected to this great cosmos. One might argue that it made us feel small, but at the same time, it made us feel a part of something much larger. But hey, at least we felt that way, with high-definition clarity. As we moved into the new millennium, we shifted our focus from been there, done that moon missions and turned our gaze towards our celestial next-door neighbor, Mars. This transition marked a pivotal change in our extraterrestrial exploration endeavors. The focus was no longer just on the moon, a place we'd already traversed, but now on an entirely different planet. To gather information, a series of rovers were dispatched. Among them were Spirit, Opportunity, and Curiosity. These exploration vehicles began sending back intriguing images and data from the red planet that sparked a new wave of interest. Suddenly, Mars seemed like the next hot real estate destination. Fast forward to the present day, and we've got private companies making significant strides in the space race. Corporate entities like Elon Musk's SpaceX, Jeff Bezos's Blue Origin, and Richard Branson's Virgin Galactic are setting the stage for a future where space travel becomes as routine as ordering a pizza online. The very concept of interstellar pizza delivery, once only a whimsical thought, doesn't seem so far-fetched anymore. Looking forward, who can guess what developments await us in the field of space travel? From the of holidaying on the Mars to the possibility of owning a timeshare on the moon, the potential for future advancements is limitless. It's an exhilarating time for exploration, filled with potential for discovery. Space travel is a realm that has always captivated humans with its mystery and boundless frontiers. As we stand on the cusp of a new era, it's clear that the future of space travel promises to be as exciting, unpredictable, and full of surprises as a cat in zero gravity. In conclusion, space travel has evolved significantly since the inception of Sputnik. From the early days of launching rudimentary satellites into the Earth's orbit, we've ventured forward, journeying beyond our galaxy's limits, setting our sights on Mars and even further corners of the cosmos. This journey, full of trial and error, has taught us a multitude of lessons, pushing us towards innovation and discovery. Yet amidst all this advancement, the universe never fails to interject humor into our endeavors. Isn't it amusingly ironic? We dream of becoming an advanced spacefaring civilization, reaching out to the stars, yet we remain baffled by the simple task of assembling a flat-pack bookshelf from IKEA. Oh, the irony!